Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. This is another video on Arduino, and today's topic is that interface MQ2 gas sensor with Arduino UNO board using Tinkercad. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through Tinkercad web application, I will design the circuit and the sketch of interface MQ2 gas sensor with Arduino in Tinkercad. So let's dive in. So friends, today's topic is that interface MQ2 gas sensor with Arduino in Tinkercad web application. Okay, so at first we should know what is MQ2 gas sensor, right? The MQ2 gas sensor module is widely used with Arduino UNO for detecting gas leaks in industries and homes, right? It can detect a variety of gases like LPG, propane, methane, hydrogen, smoke and alcohol, right? The MQ2 smoke and gas sensor is a versatile and cost-effective solution for enhancing safety and awareness in various environments, right? Here we use the analog read function to read the analog value from the sensor. Means in Sketch we are using this particular function which can read the analog value from the sensor, right? And we can get low gas concentration and parallelly we get the low voltage, okay? And when we get high gas concentration value, in that case we get high voltage, right? So what is the application of MQ2 gas sensor? First one is gas leakage detector, also used in indoor air quality monitoring and also kitchen safety system, right? And here this is the image of MQ2 gas sensor module, right? And through that it can read value from this sensor is concerned, okay? And this is the another image which is used in Tinkercad as a gas sensor module, which have 6 pins are there, okay? The above these 3 pins are connected with 5 volt and leftmost we are connected with the analog pin in Arduino UNO board, and middle one go to ground and another is go to ground but with 1 kilo ohm resistance, okay? So go to the computer screen. Through Tinkercad web application I will design the circuit and the sketch for interfacing MQ2 gas sensor with Arduino, right? So let's dive in. So friends, I have already logged in my Tinkercad web application account, and at first we press create and select circuits, right? From there we at first take our Arduino UNO board and we take a breadboard from there, and from there we just search for gas sensor and it will already come this particular module we are used here, okay? So here we already told the above 3 pins directly connected with the 5 volt, and in below the leftmost pin we connect with our any Arduino UNO analog pin. So suppose in my sketch we are using A1, right? And middle one go to ground and rightmost go to ground with 1 kilo ohm resistance, right? So at first we take a red wire and we take this 5 volt from there and it will connect directly with this section of the breadboard, because we know this section of the breadboard is row wise connected because we need 3 5 volt from there, okay? So at first we connect this above leftmost pin with this particular section 5 volt, also the middle one connect with this 5 volt, and also the rightmost above pin also connect with the 5 volt, okay? Now the below the leftmost connect with A1, means we are just connect with the analog pin A1. So in that case we choose suppose orange, this particular wire color, and directly connect with the A1, this particular analog pin, right? And also we take the black wire and we suppose this black wire is directly connect with this section of the breadboard because we need 2 more ground. Okay, so at first we connect this one directly to the ground. Okay, at first we take a resistance, so just write here resistor. So now we take this resistor and directly connect with here. Okay, and this is by default is given 1 kilo ohm because we need this 1 kilo ohm resistance, and now we connect this one with this directly to the ground. Okay, so this is a simple circuit. The above 3 pins directly connect with 5 volt, and in below the leftmost connect with the analog pin A1 in my sketch is concerned, middle one directly connect with the ground, and rightmost connect with the ground with 1 kilo ohm resistance. Right, now we write the sketch. So press on quote and select text and click continue. Whatever the code given, just remove it and write our own code. So at first we take a integer variable, suppose write gas pin, and we initialize it with A1 because our analog pin is A1. Okay, and then we use our void setup, this particular function, and here we initialize the pin mode for this gas pin. This particular variable is concerned, and it will go as your input. So just write input. Okay, and also use the serial begin because we know the output should be given in the serial monitor. So that's why we take serial.begin, and the value is 9600 is the baud rate. Okay, and this is a simple code for setup, and now we write our void loop which continuously going on, means execute. So at first we read the gas pin value using another variable, suppose gas value. So we take it is as a float variable at first. So float, just write gas value, and we use here analog read. Okay, and here we saying this particular gas pin, this variable. Okay, through this particular input function it will read the value by this sensor. Okay, now we also read the voltage and it will be calculated by some formula, right? In that case we take another float variable, suppose write float, and suppose write here voltage. Okay, and what we did, at first we divided this gas value by 1023 and multiplied by 5. Okay, so just write in that way gas value divided 1023.0 as a floatable is concerned and multiplied by 5.0. So it will convert the gas value to in voltage, convert this gas value to voltage, right? So we get 2 things, one is the gas value according to the gas concentration is concerned, and also get the parallel voltage value. Okay, so now we just print these 2 values. So at first we write serial dot print, and then just suppose write smoke density and put colon, double quotient, parenthesis close, semicolon. Same way write serial dot print ln. Okay, and then we just send this gas value, this particular variable. From there we get the gas concentration value. Okay, and same way we again write serial dot print and write within double quote, suppose gas voltage, and also put colon, double quotient, parenthesis close, semicolon, and again write serial dot print ln, and then just print the voltage, this variable value. Okay, and then we just put a delay because we get this value after 1 second. So just write delay and send as argument 1000 millisecond, which convert into second, right? Means 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. Okay, so we already write the code. So now we put the name of this circuit and the sketch is concerned. So just write here MQ2 gas sensor. Okay, now we just start simulation. Okay, yes, the error is why, because we are using here V is small but there is a V is capital, so we change it to capital V. The spelling is mistake here. Okay, so again start simulation. Yes, now it okay. Now just go to the serial monitor and we double click onto there. So some smoke is there, and if we just come the smoke very near to the sensor, just see the density is more and the voltage is also more. Now if we just go to far somehow, so just see the density value is less, voltage is also less. again just near to this sensor the density is more and voltage is more, because you already know when the value is high, that means the gas concentration is more and the voltage is also more. But when it will far from the sensor, so the density is less and gas voltage is also less, right? I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple, how to interface MQ2 gas sensor with Arduino in Tinkercad, and also how to get this smoke density value and the voltage. Okay, so if you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arduino for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.